So, hello everyone. First of all, allow me to introduce my name. I'm James Brian B. Batukan from BSENE 1B. So, in this video, I'll going to discuss more about the topic of the trigonometry. So, which is the Heron's formula, law of cosine, law of sine, trigonometric function, trigonometric identities. So, I give one example of each topic. So, let's go.
So, hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss more about the trigonometry. So, it is the Heron's formula. So, first, as you can see, we have the given of a triangle with side of E, B, and C. So, the values of E is 6, B is 10, and C is 14. So by solving this problem, we need to use the Heron's formula, which is this. So, the S is semi-perimeter plus E plus B plus C over 2 or divide. So, by copying the values, you need to copy first the semi-perimeter and copy the side, which is the values. So, 6 plus 10 plus 14 is equals to 30. So, 30 divided 2 is 15. So that's our final answer. This Heron's formula. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the law of sine. So first the given the law of sine that we need to find. So this is given. So B equals 80 degrees, A equals 7, B equals 12. So we need to find is E, angle C, and side C. So first, to solve the problem, we need to have the solution E over sine E plus B over sine B. So 7 over sine E plus 12 sine EB. So by using scientific calculator, the final answer of this is 35. So now we need to solve this angle C. So 180 degrees minus 35 minus 80 is equals 65. So that's our final answer of angle C. So since our angle C is already solved, now let's solve our sine C. So C over sine 65 plus 12 over sine 80. By using scientific calculator, the final answer is...
Okay, let's have this
So
item.
that's our final answer of our sine C. So that's our example of law of sine. So let's move on. So in this video, we're verifying the trigonometric identities. So you need to the left side plus the right side to the right side to the left side. So you normally fit the more complicated. So I'm gonna replace this two. So the normal side, I'm gonna put 1 over 1. So cosine theta over sine theta and 1 over cos. So by solving this, we treat it simple. hypotenuse equals to 1. So that's our example of trigonometric algebra.
So now, I'm going to discuss the trigonometric function, which is the SOHCAHTOA. So, as you can see, we have the given side of triangle. Side E is opposite side. So, that is our opposite side. And B is adjacent. So, the C is hypotenuse. So, our C is hypotenuse. So, that's the name, our side of triangle. So now, S, which is the sign, and we need to find the O, which is the opposite. So opposite over H, which is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And now, the K is the, we need to find the E, which is the adjacent. Cos theta over H, which is the hypotenuse. So now we're going to tan. So tan, so we need to find the O, which is the opposite. And now over A, adjacent. A, which is an adjacent. So that's the sign. So now, so A over C, because A is opposite and C is hypotenuse. So by the following, B is an adjacent over C, hypotenuse E over B. So now we're going to change this side letter rather to answer this. So with the following, copy the following. Code theta B over A. So that's our final answer of trigonometric function. So that's it.
Okay, let's have this item. Let's solve for the missing side and the angles of this triangle. So, our first step is for us to solve for the missing side. So, solve natin si side B using the formula B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC times cosine B. Then, let's substitute their corresponding value. We will have B squared is equal to 14 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 14 times 8 times cosine 121 degrees. Okay, so let's evaluate. So we will have B squared. So 14 squared will be 196. 8 squared will be 64. Tapos negative 2 times 14 times 8, that will be negative 224. Tapos lagay natin yung cosine 121. Then let's add 196 and 64. So 196 plus 64, that will give us 260. Then let's get the square root of both sides. Tapos encode natin to sa calculator natin, yung square root of 260 minus 224 cosine 121. Okay, that will give us a value of B, which is approximately equal to 19.37 units. So, nakuha na natin yung ating side B. So, lagay natin dito, side B is 19.37. Now, let's solve for angle A. So, we will use the formula or cosine B squared plus C squared minus A squared all over 2BC. Now, encode natin yung ating corresponding side dito sa formula natin. So, we will have our cosine
19.37 squared plus 8 squared minus 14 squared all over 2 times 19.37 times 8. Now, let's encode this in our scientific calculator. Okay, so that will give us the value of A, which is approximately equal to 38.31 degrees. So, nakuha na natin yung ating angle A. Now, let's solve for our angle C. Now, to get the value of angle C, we will use the formula 180 degrees minus the sum of our two angles. So, substitute natin si angle A and angle B. That will give us 180 degrees minus the sum of 38.31 degrees plus 121 degrees. Okay, so let's solve for angle C. Angle C will be equal to 20.69 degrees. And that's it.